Hello, welcome to IMA. TNPSC Group 4. Combined Civil Services Examination 4. Group 4 Services. CCSE Group 4. Let me explain. Notification date 25th April 2025. Total vacancies approximately 3,935. Application period 25th April 2025 to 24th May 2025. Exam date 12th July 2025. Key posts and vacancies. Junior Assistant, Typist, Stenotypist, Personal Clerk, Assistant. Note: detailed vacancy distribution is available in the official notification. Disability category eligibility. Eligible categories: persons with benchmark disabilities, PWBD. Reservation as per Tamil Nadu government norms. Scribe assistance available for eligible candidates. Note: detailed guidelines will be provided in the official notification. Examination details. Exam date 12th July 2025. Exam mode: offline, OMR based. Subjects covered: General Studies, Aptitude and Mental Ability Test, General English. Total marks 300. Duration 3 hours. Application and fee details. Application mode: online via www.tnpsc.government.in. Application fee 100 rupees. Examination fee 100 rupees. Fee exemptions. Persons with benchmark disabilities, scheduled castes or scheduled tribes, destitute widows. Note: exemptions as per TNPSC norms. Important dates, let me explain. Last date and time for submission of online application: 25th April 2025 to 24th May 2025, 11:59 p.m. Application correction window period: 29th May 2025, 12:01 a.m. to 31st May 2025, 11:59 p.m. Date and time of examination: 12th July 2025, 9:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. I hope you understand the point. Additional notes. Selection process: based on written examination marks, no interview. Educational qualification: minimum 10th standard pass. Official website. To download the instructions in Tamil and English version. I hope you clearly understood TNPSC Group 4 points. Thank you for watching me.